So, let's get the match in 3, 2, 1, go! We see all 4 robots moving on the field. Blue Alliance got a big auto and very fast cycling at the gate. And Red Alliance is scoring from the far side and even from the close side. Wow, a special move from the Blue Alliance. For the match 45, we got
2, 1.
In the Red Alliance, they are playing 2-1-4-5-7 Tennessee Titans with 5-3-8-5 Enigma Riders. And the Blue Alliance has got 2-5-6-2-7 Robo Warriors. With them are 1-1-3-2-9 Ice Robotic. That are cycling very fast at the gate right now and cleaning the field on the far side. Also, the Red Alliance is cycling at the gate. Some blocking strategy to the far side. Blue Alliance is moving freely, no problem. And 1 minute left. Blue has got over 200 points. I see some shooting while moving. That's very good, very interesting. "50 seconds left. Blue is going for 300 points. "35 seconds. Some collision to the far side. Blue Alliance is scoring continuously. They're not stopping. And now, prepare for the end game. We got last 15 seconds on. And Blue has got over 300 points. Count with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the match stops. 5. We got the winner, and it is the Blue Alliance with a score of 340 points. Good job. 6 ranking points. And now let's get back to the match 47.